No rainbow with a pot of gold at the end? If so, that would be perfect right now.
Ha ha. No. One of those same trucks from the impound. It's driving pretty slow, so it must be full.
Okay, tail it. I'll circle back and take a look at one of the other destinations I found. It's a restaurant, and if I know one thing from watching gangster movies, it's that bad guys love a good
Hello
restaurant.
guys.
Okay.
We continue the Fast and
Always
Furious
am,
game.
V. I got this. Meet you back home.
Now we found a truck where we last time the cops going so busy with the sirens. She's stopping another car. Last time we were searching for truck satellites and we found the factory. Oh, what a collision! Whoa! The bus took another car. Okay, it's live. So yeah, we found our truck, and now we found it. I think we found in some restaurant. All right, the game looks looks cool. I'm really impressed. You know, it is like some a little bit bugs. You know, you can run through the road or something, and now it's a bus, but I think it was alive. You know, something happens again. Car just
Gotta get closer.
runs from another car. So, but it's live enough. This game, it really is, and another collision is fun. Yeah, it is. It is fun, and yeah. Because the game, I think they planned the release earlier to the movie, so they have to rush. I don't blame you. It's for the little bit bugs, but the game looks very cool. So the game are improving because last those games, I don't know, they really played.
I can't get too close.
I played like for the 5th.
Looks like this is the place.
Alright. Play 5th, where is like a former cars from the Fast
I should back off a bit.
movie. Okay, let's watch now the cutscene.
This is pretty much the last place I want to be.
It's on gangsters territory.
What's going on? Where are you?
I'm in serious gang territory. Like where I could get shot if I look in the wrong direction.
Well, get the hell out of there.
Meet you back at the house.
Yeah, this girl goes too close, and I think some gangsters now want to follow me because we draw some attention. And yeah, this game it's alright. It's cool because it's those before. Definitely is. This game is better than those games before. So they are improving, and if they release another one game, it should be a lot more better, and it is very good hopes and everything. And you cannot blame for few bad games or bugs or something for this game. So still it is. I'm watching the game. They're very cool and very good. Okay, loading screen. Let's take it too long. Okay.
So what do you think those
We're
trucks
back.
are hauling, eh?
Rubies, bearer bonds, the lost Wu-Tang album. Who cares? We know whatever's inside is valuable, and we know the truck's route now.
So?
If the answer were any more obvious, it would be breakdancing on your face.
Wait, You want us to hijack one of their trucks?
No way.
V, listen.
Let me lay it out for you. 1, we're not criminals. 2, you're talking about stealing from a well-funded, highly organized criminal organization that's been doing this for like 1 billion years. 3, if we fail, they most certainly will kill us.
Can I lay it back out for you? 1, they're not going to kill us, because 2, we aren't professionals, and for that reason, 3, they'll never see us coming.
That girl is really optimistic.
I actually followed that.
What?
They're right. The Tadakul is prepared to defend itself against tough rival gangs, not 3 amateurs.
Oh, you're really selling this, Sebastian.
Don't you see? That's our advantage. We hit them in transit, we steal their booty, and we're out.
You two have lost your minds.
V, you know we can do this.
As much as I hate to agree with Cam,
I want to see how they
think we can pull this off.
do this. How
Well,
they
I
want to
don't.
do this.
Not without some help.
Oh, what? It's not. Yeah, it's Letty.
Miss Ortiz, I was there at Race Wars when you took on that Audi. It was something to behold.
Thanks. And Letty's fine.
Letty and I have a mutual friend back in Miami.
If we're gonna rob the Tadakul, we're gonna need some rides that can't be traced.
Yeah, who can do this job? Letty can do this. What happened? I just picked the car?
Crap! They put up a roadblock.
I really
no
don't
way
understand
round.
what happened, but I think I just stole the car. Who's driving?
we've got company!
These cops are paid off by the Tadakul.
So they're dirty then.
Presume we can get rid of them.
By any means necessary.
Okay, split up. Let's make this a little more interesting for them. These guys mean business.
So, for a job, we need
Yes.
2 cars. And I think Vent and
Ain't catching me.
sorry guys for the little bit loud. My PC is pretty decent, but there is a challenge for this game. Still don't know, I'm not sure for which drive I'm going. So I can pick up.
They're going down. Oh, these guys are tough. Oh, what the hell is that? The cops just shot something at my car and now it's stuck in there beeping.
The power dream.
Units on standby. Secondaries are currently moving.
More
Short-range
advanced
suspect on Villa Urbanica, heading east.
cops technology. I don't know, is it or it should be like a cars, the cops now have those features.
Ah, I'm a sitting duck here. Damn, you gotta get that cop off me.
754, no warrant, no additional info
Anyway,
on
the
suspect
game
at
looks
this time.
really cool.
Suspect continuing on Santa Eulalia.
The night and the lights, it's awesome. Oh, okay. Alright, it's all remote. Do you know what the model is? Comment if you know. Oh yeah, I remember for the Fast and Furious 2, it was like a electric gun. Maybe using the similar method before. I just done it in my own car. I just don't me. Sorry, bro. That's 10 minutes, but I have to escape the cops now. blurry my vision, but can still see. Take out those strong. Oh, a little bit loose. Rate my driving skills, I think. I know it could be better, but I think it's okay. Yeah, I cannot use the slide. Oh, where is that? Taking a shortcut. Down dirty guns.
Got you. Now to get your friend.
Suspects are evading patrol officer.
We're all clear.
Yeah.
How you doing, Letty?
Just got a few flies to get off my back.
Assistance. Suspect last seen heading north. Response, code 3.
3 against 1?
Oh.
Sounds good to me.
So I have to check out before reach the safe house. Yeah, I think I have to check out because safe is not possible.
Okay, let's dance.
Stop driving. I don't know what has to be driving.
On patrol. Moving to patrol. Vehicle units, switch over now.
We have to driving or not.
Barcelona PD needs to update the game.
Driving.
You want me to stop and pull over? That takes care of you.
Yeah, that's strong.
There's 2 left. No backup?
Yeah. Have to take a close eye before we reach the safe house. Okay, not using the
Send my regards to your friend. Just you and me. What you got?
Alright, take down. Oh, it is original thing that like switch to drivers. Taking all the action. All the guys. right?
Roadblocks? Seriously? See you around. Vienna, I'm clear. Let's get these mods done. Then we've got a truck.
Supervisor,
Okay, we're already at the house. Meet you there.
set up in the last 20 in direction of trouble, please.
Good luck. Then take this garage. Still think you can drive off-road. It's not all that limited where you can go.
Code 3 pursuit units. 10 crime suspects have been lost. Commence standard search of pursuit perimeter. Step down to Post 2 and resume pursuit of other suspects heading
So
eastbound
that's it.
on Factory.
We got the job. We have the job to do. We got the cars for the job. And we can take this truck. But I really hope some help for them. But I think it's not that job is not that big. We can't do it for ourselves, and especially we have Letty's help. And yeah, I'm really looking forward what else we have in this game. Okay, I'm done for this. It's past 10 minutes, and I'll see you in the next gameplay of Fast and Furious. Stay tuned.
I tend to subscribe to
Subscribe to this policy.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.